What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I decided to start making this past weekend after I went to some waterfalls and everybody kept on asking me where I was. And when I asked them if I should make a channel so I could show you guys where I'm going, they were all saying hell yeah, and all of them want to subscribe and stuff. Well, they would subscribe, better said. For those of you that don't know me as well, I'm stationed in Japan right now and restrictions are slowly being lifted up, so I'll be taking you guys on all the cool places I go. Or all the places I remember to take you, better said. This video is going to have two parts. The first one is going to be from a few months ago when I took photos of the cherry blossoms in the snow. It was a very cold day, if I may say so. And the second part is going to be from when I took photos at the waterfalls. And I do have to say, the audio isn't as good on that one. I tried my best on adjusting the audio, so you may have to lift up the volume a bit to be able to hear what I say, but for the most part I want to say it's pretty good. And I'll also add in the photos I took from both trips at the end of that little section. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this first video. I'm going to try doing weekly videos. If not, it'll be like every other week because I can't go out every single week. But anyways, enjoy. Alright, so I should have started making this video a lot sooner, but I'm about to go take photos out there. It's supposed to be cherry blossom season, but it's fucking snowing out here. And I was gonna go to a nice little park, take a bunch of cool photos. There was a lake. Well, there were two lakes. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go out in the snow and take photos of blossoms and freeze my ass off. So this should be fun. It is cold out here, but check it out. I'm supposed to be heading to a park area that has a lake where there's a lot of blossoms, so this will be very, very interesting. Look at this. More to come. Alright, it's snowing. I want to take photos of the cherry blossoms. So I decided I'm going to go to the mountains. On the way there, this little park with cherry blossoms, with snow on top. It's amazing. It's going to be a fun day. Alright, so I was staying under a tree because there wasn't any snow coming down on me or my phone screen so I can get to the place that I'm trying to get to. Thinking, no snow's going to fall on me. All the snow from above me, along with some flowers, fell on me. And for sure, my friends that live in the snow are going to be laughing at me. I'm talking about you, Price and Bramstead. This place looks so cool because it's completely untouched. Let's go exploring. Alright, so I didn't take as many videos as I expected to, but I got a lot of cool photos. I'll make sure to put them in the collage later on in this little video. But it's pretty fun. I've also put together some of the videos from Snap. So I got some amazing photos, especially with the snow. And now I'm wandering back to the train station because I ended up on the other side of the forest somewhere, I don't know where. So I'm probably walking around a couple miles, maybe 5, I don't even know, to actually get to the train station. And I want to find food somewhere out here, somewhere that no one's been, which would be interesting. Okay, real quick, this reminds me of Mexico. Like, I feel like they would do something like this in Animal Seal. Just a feeling. Anyways, more to come. Keep you updated on how the rest of this goes. So yeah. Alright, update. I got off the train. Into Coco's now. My feet are cold and wet. I didn't expect there to be so much slush. And I guess we've gone through the creases of my boot. So basically, water was penetrating it from the bottom. So now they're wet. Cold honestly isn't that bad. It reminds me of swimming a little bit, but at least there's a little bit of insulation. But still annoying nonetheless. Very adventurous day. Tried corn in a can. It's pretty good. Just missing tahini, maybe a little bit of lime. But really, that tahini's the only thing that was missing. Alright, time to go home. I'll share those photos. Adios. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my adventures. Yesterday I decided I was going to go find a waterfall. I found a few. I decided I'm going to go to a different one tomorrow. This one is going to be a bit of a shorter trail, smaller waterfall, a little bit more disappointing, but still, it's a waterfall. I'll take what I can get. And this place is more green than I have ever seen. It's ridiculous. Look at this green. There's so much green. Also, I just went through a tunnel and it was loud as hell, like you would not believe. And then like I want to say a half-hour train ride on the way here, and so I haven't even gone to the trail for the waterfall. But either way, should be pretty fun. Yo, so I'm crossing the bridge to get to the other side so I can get to the waterfall. And I'm crossing the Tama River, and I just want to show you how cool it looks over here. Look at that. Further downstream, the water looks so blue, it's ridiculous. This will be a fun ride. Also, random side note, there's a mannequin down there. I don't know if you can see it. Somewhere down there, there's a little mannequin. And at first, I was trying to decide, is it a real person? Or is it supposed to stay there like a scarecrow? I'm going to take a guess of scarecrow. Not sure why, but it's there. See you in a bit. So I realize now that I never really give an explanation why I'm walking to the actual place instead of just driving. So I don't have a car, and I don't have any friends right now that wanted to go or were able to go. So I had to take the train over here, and then I had to walk to the actual area. And I just got screwed over by Google Maps, telling me to cross the road, to keep on walking on the same road on the right side, only for the original path I was on to go to where I'm supposed to right now. So I had to walk against traffic on the street because there was no sidewalk and it was completely covered in plants waist high. So thank you, Google Maps, for screwing me over for those, I'm going to say 10 minutes. Those waterfalls better be worth it. Who am I kidding? They probably will be. See you in a bit. Alright, so it's not so much a trail as I thought. It might be over there now that I think about it, but it looks a little bit like it's also meant for plants, like planting, farming, whatever you want to call it. But look at this little, yeah, cool little spot. But going back to what I was originally saying, so far I've been on a semi-paved road. It's not too bad. I kind of wish there was a bit of dirt and rocks, but that's just me as Arizona. But still, it's pretty nice. Not as hot and humid as other areas. Alright, so I found the first good waterfall, and I have a mask back on because I don't want spiderwebs getting into my mouth. I got the glasses. I want to say that's beer. Yep, it says on the side beer. But there it is. Let's see what cool photos I can get of it. So I went a little bit further upstream and I found another waterfall. Not as cool as I had hoped for, but still, it's a waterfall is a waterfall, and any waterfall is cool to someone from Arizona. More photo time. So I'm not entirely sure how I'm gonna get out here. Like I'm taking a guess, going through there, across, and then up that little ledge, up to the bridge, because it's all the way up there. And I could go over there, but it was a bit more difficult to get to that side. So yeah. So the sunglasses and the face mask were a good idea because I knew it was gonna happen. I got a bunch of spider webs in my face and it was annoying as hell. Got all over my hair, which probably why it's a bit messed up. If it isn't, good on me for being able to fix my hair, but it probably is still pretty bad. So spider webs in my hair, probably still there. Glasses and face mask protecting me from getting even more annoyed than I already am. So it was a good idea. Let's see what other waterfalls we can find tomorrow on the photo shoot. I'll see you later. I'll let you know how it goes on the way back home. As small as it seems, these stairs are really kicking my ass, and it doesn't help that some of them are so long and tiny, like short, and it's tripping me off because I can't take a regular step. All right, we were supposed to go to some waterfalls, and we got our first parking spot, first thing we could find, and we found this bridge that leads to a limestone cave. I don't know if you can see it, but a cool little spider web right there. Look at this. I hate that I can actually feel that.
Position of those you shall not pass when the climber angler are not involved.
What?
Something about how I don't think you can go up there.
Okay, but we could still go back where we came from.
Yeah, I'm going back no matter what.
Well, yeah. What else are we gonna do? Go down there and just climb across?
Fuck no.
Dude, this makes me think of Planet of the Apes.
Yeah.
Like the second movie.
You know, actually, I wonder where they shot it. Whoa.
Imagine just getting a sled.
Think of how many, like, years of just water having to travel down this specific spot.
Again, imagine just getting a sled and going down.
Yeah.
You see out there?
What the fuck, dude?
What, just gets more sketchy?
What the fuck happened here? Look how much that bent.
It's just plywood pretty much.
Yeah.
If I fall, it's gonna be cool to have it on camera.
Damn right.
Oh no. What the fuck?
Yo, how bad an idea would it be to full set it down?
You know, if it wasn't so rocky.
If it wasn't, I'd be so down. But like considering that it's just a sheer.
It's literally just a straight drop.
Yeah.
I want to find a way to get down to the river though.
We will.
Yeah, exactly. So fucking scary. I wonder if there's a way to turn on this light.
I think it might just be during the night.
Maybe, yeah.
There's a dude down there fishing.
Hey, what's up, dude?
God damn it, man.
The wobbly bridge.
I made it to the river, and these two didn't want to follow.
It's about fucking time, bro. Let's go.
I just find it funny that I'm the voice of I'm usually the voice of
You're
reason.
the bad influence.
Yeah, I'm the bad influence for
You're
once.
the bad influence.
Jazz, I'll be coming to you. Ladies and gentlemen, he did it. What do you think, man?
Fucking beautiful.